G'day guys, Greg's Kitchen time once again. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a really good, easy, munchy snack. Now I make this all the time when I'm so lazy that I just could not be bothered cooking anything, because there's virtually no cooking involved. So anyway, come on, let's go and make this delicious microwave bacon, potato and dairy product snack. Come on, let's go! Okay, so for this, all you're going to need is some bacon, a potato, sour cream, chili sauce, some cheese, and of course, some butter. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, get your potato. Start jabbing it with some holes with a fork, just like this. That'll stop it from exploding when I stick it in the microwave. Now we just stick it in there for 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. And make sure your microwave's set to its highest level, like I am right now. Okay, so now once that potato's finished cooking, we get it out and we just turn it over. Be very careful. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is get yourself some paper towel. Stick it on the plate there, get your bacon, and we're going to lay the bacon out on the paper towel fairly flattish. We'll do that so it gets pretty crisp. And then I'm just going to fold that paper towel over like that, and I'm just using the potato to weigh that down. And now I just stick this in the microwave again on high for 4 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Now while that's cooking, you will hear that bacon popping away, but don't be alarmed, because that's to be expected. Oh boy, that plate is hot. So be very careful. So now that's done. So I'll just move this off. Now all I need to do, goodness me, that is quite burning, is cut this potato like this. Try not to burn your fingers like I am. Gee, it's hot. I'm gonna need a skin graft after that. So now I've done that, I just get some butter and I sort of just put that over the potato like this, because then that butter will just melt into the potato, and potato and butter's pretty good. Now I get the cheese and I just sprinkle some cheese over the top, and that too will start melting into that boiling hot potato. Hot potato, hot potato. Now just take a look at this. If I can peel the paper off this bacon, that bacon is cooked. Have a look at that. It's cooked beautifully. There's even a bit of crispiness in that rind. Beautiful. So now I just stick the bacon on top like that, heap over some sour cream like this, and add some chili sauce, and you have just made one of the greatest snacks without hardly even lifting a finger that's ever existed. Yum! Oh, gee, I love these things. They are so tasty. Right, well, let's tuck in. Oh, that is so delicious. This is so easy to make. You could be in a coma and still make it. Well guys, I really hope you enjoy eating that as much as I do, because that is sensational. So easy to make and so healthy for you too. Rightio, well guys, thanks for watching. Remember to thumb this video up for me, or down if you don't appreciate the healthy food that I cook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on Greg's Kitchen.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where my potato bacon snack is so delicious.